What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to play Chord Talks by Russ. So we got the keyboard on the second fret to avoid one bar chord, although we just have two chords. So this song is actually super easy to play because we just have two chords, and with the keyboard we don't have any bare chords. So let's have a look at the two chords first. So first chord is a D major, which is mute, mute, open, second, third, second. I'm going to move super fast because there's just one thing going throughout the whole song in the same way. And then we have A major, mute, open, second, 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 open. And that's everything about it. In case you're wondering how to play that without the keyboard, the D major will be a E major 0 2 2 1 0 0, and the A major will be a B major, which is over here like this, which is mute 2 4 4 4 or 2. And that's everything. Now have a look at the chord progression. One line, and it has three repetition of one chord and then another chord. So in total we have to play the chord 4 times. So we got a D major, another time D major, another time D major, and then we have an A major. And that's how it goes. 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2, and that's how it goes. So on the D major, I like to pluck the strings. You can just strum also, it doesn't matter, it's the same thing after all. So we play the D major, we do 2 downstroke, tack tack, like we do a down, and after that we just keep our hand on the string to get the sound muted. So we did 2 downstroke, everything is muted. Down mute, down mute, da, da. So we're just gonna do that, and then we'll do a slide from 5 to 7 on the high E string, and it's gonna be a little fast. So see the rhythm over here. We let the rest for over here, and we're just gonna quickly move on to 7th fret. So and then we play 2nd fret on the high E string. Everything is ready to keep on the 2nd fret. So that's it. So we repeat that 3 times. Down, down. Third time. You move on to the A major chord. You again do 2 downstroke in the same way you did on the D major chord. And we do a slide from 2 to 3 on the high E string, and a slide back to the 2nd fret, and then you play the high E string open. So good. And that's everything for the song. You need to play on guitar. You can just play this 2 chord and jam on for the whole song. So if this has helped you out, make sure to drop in one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. I did a lot of lessons and tutorials today, so make sure to check them out. New song came out Friday, a lot of songs. So let's play them a couple of times. I'm plucking right now, but you can strum. Strumming. A major. Strum. 2 3, and that's everything. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.